Hello, my creative friends. Xmas is a season of lights, warmth, hope, and miracles. But the most beautiful Xmas stories are not found in books, stories, movies, storybooks. They happen in small homes, in ordinary families, and inside hearts that still believe in magic. Today, I will tell you a story Today I will tell you a story about a little girl, a forgotten town, and a Xmas star that appear only once in a lifetime. Xmas star that happened only once in a lifetime, a story of kindness, love, and miracle that changed everything. So sit back, relax, and let the Xmas spirit around you. In a snowy village of Winterdale lived an 8-year-old girl named Luna. She was teeny, cheerful, and loved Xmas more than anything in the world. Every year she wrote a letter to Santa, not for toys but asking for something very simple. Dear Santa, please give me and Mama a little happiness. And please help Papa find work, that is all. Love, Luna. Her parents did not know she wrote this letter. All they knew was that Luna believed in Xmas magic, even when life was difficult. Their small wooden house that cracks in the walls, but it was filled with love. Still, this Xmas felt different. Money was tight. Her father had not worked for a month, and her mother felt sad most days, but Luna smiled anyway because she believed when Xmas comes, miracles happen. One cold evening, Luna went outside to look at the sky. Snowflakes fell gently on her cheeks as she whispered, "Please, Xmas, bring a little hope this year." Suddenly, something unusual happened. A bright golden star shot across the sky, so bright that the entire village saw it. But instead of disappearing, the star stopped right above Luna. It glittered, shimmered, and softly glowed as it was looking down at her. The village gasped. Some said it was a sign, others said it was impossible, but Luna was not afraid. "Hello," she whispered. "You look lost." The star blinked once, twice, as if answering her, and then something even stranger happened. The star began to move slowly, leading Luna toward the old empty church at the edge of the village. The church had been abandoned for years. No one had stepped inside since Luna's grandparents were young. But the moment she entered, the star floated above the altars, and its golden light spread across the room. Dusty shelves, old benches, and broken ornaments began to sparkle again. Luna placed her hand on her heart. "What are you trying to show me?" she quietly asked. The star flickered, and suddenly a small wooden box appeared beneath the altar. Something one had ever seen before. With trembling hands, Luna opened it. Inside was a letter to the people of Winterdale. This church was built with love, and it holds enough treasure to rebuild the village and help every family through difficult winter. If you ever lost hope, follow the Xmas star and it will lead you here. Luna gasped. The box was not filled with gold, but with the hundreds of old coins, the ornaments, and the note from their ancestors. It was a treasure meant to save the whole village. The star glowed brighter as if saying, "You found it." The village rushed to the church after seeing the golden light. When they saw Luna with the treasures, they could not believe their eyes. "Where did you find this?" they asked. Luna smiled and pointed up. "The Xmas star showed me." The treasure helped repair homes, fix roads, and start new shops. Families who had no food now had warm meals. Children who had no coats now had warm clothes. Winterdale was alive again. But the biggest miracle was that happened next. Luna's father received the job the very next day. Her mother began smiling again, filled with hope she thought she lost. And for the first time in years, an old church lit up with candles, songs, and joy. People called Luna the child who followed the star.